Hey guys, what's up? RJ here, and today's video is all about what is ClickFunnels. Like, what is ClickFunnels? Like, many guys out there have like many type of question. What is ClickFunnels? For what the purpose we use it for, and how do we use ClickFunnels? Is it ClickFunnels suitable for us? Like, any person who have any type of question regarding it, we are going to be diving it into this video today. First of all, before diving it into ClickFunnels, we need to talk about what is a funnel. Like, what is sales funnel? Now, what a funnel is, the biggest difference between a website and a funnel is that a website have like a ton of distractions. If you see, if someone goes out there on Amazon or like any other e-commerce site, let's say, there are many types of distractions like home support, many different types of products that people go and wonder themselves what to do and what not to do. A confused mind always say no. So that's how a funnel comes up. So now what a funnel is generally a series of pages, so that it is some type of salesman that holds you by a hand, tell you, okay, on this page you need to do this thing, and then you need to go to the next page, okay, you need to buy the next product, and or you need to buy the product and what you need to do. So a funnel is generally a series of pages where you set up in such a way that you get yourself the sales, leads or customers, whatever you whatever you want to set these things up. So that's how a funnel is. So when it comes to funnel, we use a tool like ClickFunnels. Now if you haven't signed up for ClickFunnels yet, sign up. The link is in the description down below. I have ton of bonuses that will change everything when it comes to business overall on the organic base and also on the paid ads base. So if you need ClickFunnels and you haven't signed up yet, link is in the description down below. Just sign up for the free trial. Okay, so let's get into the screen. Now if you see over here, we're talking about completely about everything when it comes to ClickFunnels. If you see over here, this is the main dashboard that comes up when you log into ClickFunnels. Over here, if you see over here on the right, it is funnel flicks, and other than this, if you see on the left side, it will show you on which plan are you on ClickFunnels and what are your favorite funnels overall, and other things as well, like what are your conversions that happens through your funnel itself on whatever the time frame that you've set up or whatever the metric that you've set up overall, and what are the functions and everything, or what are the special things that's going to be happening around, and like many other things. That's the main dashboard as of now. And other than this, the next thing what we need to do, and I will show you how to create your first funnel, like how to use it, how to create funnel, like everything that you need to know about ClickFunnels we will talk about in this video. So stay tuned till the end, because I will tell you what are the bonuses as well if you sign up for ClickFunnels. Okay, so once we clicked on the funnel option from here, once we clicked on the funnel, now what you simply can do is that you can simply either, if you see over here, there are like multiple funnels that I have that I'm using currently in my business. Now what you can simply do is that you can either use the current funnels that you have, or you can simply create a new funnel. So we will go for a new funnel creation and see how things will turn out. We will go for add new. The best part of ClickFunnels is that it's totally a drag and drop that you can simply use. You don't need a programmer, you don't need high-end developers and pay them so much money to create a web page or like a funnel for you. You can simply do that on your own and make ton of money with it. So what we do is that there are two types of ways you can simply build a funnel. Either you can go for the classic funnel builder. It is recommended for those guys out there who knows how funnel works from scratch out there as well. So if you want to go for classic funnel builder, you need to know completely how classic funnel builder works. Otherwise, my recommendation is that you can simply go for the cookbook builder process, because on there any type of funnel that you simply need is available with their respective pages. So we will go for the cookbook builder process for now. Start cookbook. Okay, so once we are into the cookbook area, now what we simply need to do is that we need to decide what type of funnel we generally need. Like, there are a ton of funnel that you can simply use regarding whatever your business is. If you want sales letter funnel, if you want invisible funnel like auto webinar, squeeze page, live demo funnel, webinar funnel, homepage funnel, like any funnel that you simply want regarding your business, you can simply use that. So there are like many funnels that you can simply use. Product launch funnel, video sales letter. So in this video we'll be using lead magnet funnel. Okay, so we are talking about lead magnet funnel. If you know what lead magnet is, a lead magnet is something that on your first page, what is the opt-in page, you're providing something for free in order to get their email list or in order to get their email, so that you will later on provide them value and then provide them other offers as well in the part of a funnel, or you can simply sell them anything after you get their email list through that opt-in page or through that particular lead magnet. So there's a video of Russell as well where he's talking about, okay, what is a lead magnet page is, what are the steps of the pages into it, and how much time it can take for you to set completely these things up. It's so easy, you can simply do it right away. If you see over here, they are showing what are the pages that are currently into it. So we can over here right now, if you see, there are like ton of templates that you can simply use and simply edit out. There are free one, there are paid one, if you see over here as well, that you can simply use as well. For now we are going for the free one, we don't need the paid one for now. So let us choose what we want to choose. I think this one looks good, it's Conquer Lead Magnet. Okay, we are choosing this one. Once we click on it, it will get into our ClickFunnels account and boom, we have it. That is like so easy. Now what we need to do is we need to edit our things according to our need, and we can simply do it. Okay, so then we will talk about, once you got the funnel into our account, okay, get funnel. Once we get the funnel into our account, then how you need to edit it and what are the things you need to keep in mind and how easy it's to do this. It's not that hard. No techie person, you simply need to set funnel up. It's so easy to do that you will definitely love it and you will start using it when it comes to your business. If you want to promote like affiliate products, or if you want to do other things other than this as well. So it's not that hard to do it. You can be able to do it as well. So it's not that hard. So the first thing, once we have like imported the funnel into the ClickFunnels account, the next thing what we need to do is overall, okay, it's importing right now. Okay, so as you can see that right now it's imported into the ClickFunnels account, and if you see, this is the main place where we can simply add the pages or edit the funnel or edit the steps of the funnel. So this is the funnel editor mode out there. If you are into any funnel, if you are editing out any funnel out there, this is the page where you need to edit the settings and everything else. So first of all, we will talk about the back end of the funnel, then we will go inside and edit out the funnel itself as well. So let's see. The first thing you can see over here is whatever it is, this is the link. Many factors out there that you can simply do. You can simply do A/B testing, split testing, that you can see. What A/B testing generally means is that if you have one funnel and something is not working, you can make some type of tweaks and see which works better, like one thing or this page or this page. If anyone works better, you can simply start using that page and use that page as well. So the first thing we are talking about is, if we see over here on the settings, we will be able to see general settings that we simply need or we simply require to set the funnel up, especially completely the general setting of the funnel. So when we go to the settings, okay, if you see over here, the first thing that come up is the name. Whatever the name that you want to set up for the funnel itself, you can simply change it according to your requirement. Whatever the tag, what the tag is, that tag is the setting that you can simply use to segment the funnels into one particular category, one particular point, or some type of these things. If you want to organize your funnels, that's what tag comes up. Now the path, what generally is, path is something that come up after the / over your domain. That is your path. You can simply set up whatever you want to, that how it shows. Other than this, if you've already integrated your domain with ClickFunnels, there will be an option to choose whatever the domain that you want to choose. Whatever the domain that you want to choose it, you can choose it. Other than this, if you see, there are other things as well. Favicon URL, if you know what Favicon is, the icon, the small icon that comes up on the tab, that's called Favicon. And other than this, the head tracking code, the body tracking code. Okay, this link called share funnel link. Now what share funnel link does is that if you want to provide the exact copy of this funnel that you're creating or you have, if you want to provide it to another person out there, if you provide this link, and if he already have a ClickFunnels account, if he click on it, it will import it directly into your ClickFunnels or into his ClickFunnels account. Okay, it's so easy. If you have some type of website or some type of funnel and you want to give to another guy out there, you can simply do it with just one link called share funnel link. You can simply choose whatever your Stripe account is. If you want to have Zapier, you can simply use Zapier as well. So easy to do, not that hard. That is the thing that you need to know on this setting thing. Other than this, if you see what are the contacts that have gone through the funnel overall, what are the stats into the funnel itself, like how many people gone through one page and then how many people have gone through the another page of the funnel itself, what are the certain stats that you need to know about, what are the things that you can change, or whatever the things that you simply think you can done overall throughout the funnel itself. That is the thing when it comes to stats. As you can see over here, we have right now 2 pages. I will show you how to create more pages as well. It's not that hard overall as well. And if you see over here, we have right now 2 pages. What are the all unique clicks, all clicks and unique clicks, how many people have opt-in, what is the opt-in rate overall. If you have like different pages like order form to get the credit card up there, or to get another things, you will get to know what is the conversion rate, what is how many people take your OTO, that is your upsell offer. So many things that you can simply do within a funnel itself. Every stat that you want to see during your pages, you can simply able to see. That's the best part overall when it comes to funnel as well. So let us go on the steps. So that I will show you how to create a page, and then we will dive in to show you how to set up your funnel. So if we're going to add new step, that is the setting that you need to go in order to create new pages. Because right now, if you see, we have gone through the funnel hacker cookbook and we've chose a lead magnet. It is typically a lead magnet funnel. That's how the step works. If you want to create a new page or want to create new offer, want to sell something, you can simply create one more page. Let's say if I need to showcase my product, I create sales page, for example, and the path, as I told you, is something that come up after this slash. It will be sales page and create funnel step. Okay, so if you see over here, the page is already created. Now what we need to do is that we need to select for what purpose we are supposed to use this page for. Like if we want to sell the product, or if we want to showcase our product right now, we will use the sales page. If we want the info for, we need to get their credit card info so that we will get paid, we will use order form. If we need to sell after order form one more product, it all depends whatever we want to do. Like if you see over here, there are many options and each option have their own template that you can simply use, or you can simply start from literal scratch and you can simply do that as well. If you see over here, the email and the opt-in page that are already into the funnel itself. On the sales page, if you see the sales page, the product launch, the order form, upsells, downsells, order confirmation. Okay, if you don't know what upsells and downsells are comes after the order. If someone buys the product and then after they buy the product, they will get one more offer. Either you bought this, what about if you can simply get this as well for this price. If they click on yes, they will get charged, and if they click on no, then we will set up the downsell so that okay, if you haven't bought this, you can simply get this at lower price or any other price you want, so that by this process you will get yourself higher conversion rate, because they are in the open loop overall as well, so there are higher chances to get converted. So that is the case. People do use upsells and downsells, and other than this, I will tell you about what our order bumps are. They can use order bumps as well. So that's the case. For this part, we are using sales page. Since we are showcasing and trying to showcasing our product, you can simply set any type of pages overall, or any amount of pages that you want to set up according to your own requirement. So we are using, let us use this one for the sake of video. Okay, so once this done, okay, if you see, we have already chosen the sales page. Now what the next thing that we will do is, generally what we will do is that we will go into the settings. Before getting into it, you need to get one thing overall in mind. When we connect our domain, whatever the path will show up after we are like using it in our business or whatever, the path whatever will show up, you need to go into this setting and you need to edit it over here, because whatever you will edit over here will be the thing that will display overall. Okay, makes sense? Other than this, now we can simply go into edit page, and let me show you how to like use the funnel itself, how to create funnel. It's so easy to use. Any person who is starting out can do it. Okay, so now we are in our dashboard. So the next thing, if I want to show you the few things that you need to know about, is the green thing that you see over here is the section. And then if you see over here, the blue thing is the blue thing is overall the rows, whatever the rows and the columns that you need to set up, and then the orange part is the elements. So when it comes to section is the complete thing or complete area that you want to set up. So we do this from start. Let us create a new section. Once we create a new section, on section they will show us, or they will let us know that for what length we need to set this up. Will it be medium, small, full width or wide? Let us do a wide one for now. Okay, it's so easy to use. If you're just clicking, it's totally drag and drop. We just created a new section. Now after section, what happens is that we need to choose rows. Now what is rows is that the number of things or number of elements or number of columns that's set up into one row. So we will, for this video, we will do this 3 columns. If you see over there in the above, there was 2 columns over there. So we are using 3 columns. Okay, so if you see over here, the 3 columns are created, and then we have option for elements. So what 3 columns means that it finds 3 different columns that we can simply use to borderize overall everything. And it's so easy. If you see over here, if you see the heading over here, it's so easy to do that. We can simply drag and drop literally anything. We can simply click on move and drag it over down, and that's simply it. And the headline is over here. If you see it's dark, we can simply change the color. If you want to change the color, just click on it, just go to settings. You can simply go into settings, and then you can simply want to do anything. If you want to do, you can simply do it. We just can go to setting, go to bold color or whatever the color we want to choose. Let's say for the sake of video, we choose yellow for bold color, and then we are choosing like, let's say orange, or white. Okay, this is the thing. It's not that hard overall to do it. It's easier. If you see overall, that's a drag and drop. If you see when it comes to like elements and these type of things, what the element generally is, any type of text, image, video, audio, anything that is, it's the part of an element overall. If we click on element after creating the rows, these are the general options that are into it, like headline, subheadline, paragraph, bullet list, image, videos, audios, button, inputs, or anything that you simply want to do. If you are a part of a developer, if you know some type of developing and these type of things, you can simply use HTML and CSS, and other than these things, you can simply use JavaScript as well. So these are the things that you can use if you are a developer, if you know these type of codes, and if you have a developer or you want to customize some type of things into your funnel itself, you can simply do it. So for now, let us use something like, let's say if we want to capture some email. So we will select input, and also let us add button first, and let us add button. Okay, that's a button. That is a button, and we can simply do anything that we simply want to do. We can simply change the length, the size of the font, or the length of the button, the size of the button, depending upon. We can simply change the fonts as well. Like, there are so many things that you can simply do if you want to do it. So drag and drop. Right now, if I want the name and the email address of a person out there, we simply don't want only one thing. We need 2 things to do: the name and the email address of a person. We can simply do that over here as well. Like, let us set up the margin so that it don't go. Okay, now it works better. We can simply do anything. If we want to set up the setting for this email, if we want to set up this thing as a part of an email, and next thing should be the name, but we are setting up this as a part of a name, and the second thing will be an email. Input type, we are setting input type as, let's say, full name. Okay, we are doing it as full name, and we can simply change this thing, your name here, and required. Go and pay for this, or go and fill this so that they can go for the next step. Okay, and then for the next step is email address. For email address, it's exactly the same thing that we need to do. We need to set up overall, you need to find the setting, you need to set up as a part of an email. Okay, that it's a must, you need to do it. Input type, it will be email address. Okay, your email address. Email is always required. Since it's an opt-in page, it's always required, so that because that's what we call an opt-in page. So there are like many things other than this that we can simply use, and we can simply do as I said, it's totally a drag and drop. If you want to move up anything or anything overall here and there, we can simply do it. It's not that hard. If you see, we just like moved, drag and drop. If you want the signature to be over here, we can simply do that as well. It's not that hard to do it. Anything that you want to do, if you want to change the things of the SEO overall, if you want to change the things of the SEO, we can simply, whatever it will show on the tab as well on the Google search engine, we can change that. Change you want. Change it in the way you want, and you can simply change or do any type of settings that you simply want to, and just click save, and that's it. So like it's so easy to use, you don't need to do anything. And if you have like other autoresponders, if you don't know about what autoresponder or what to use, I will put up the link for the card above. If you see on the, it will be like top left or right, whatever you can simply see the eye, you can simply go over there and then simply see my review for the autoresponder that I use, get response, and how you can simply get bonuses from there as well. And that's so easy to use. You can simply use any type of integration, whatever the autoresponder that you simply want to use, you can simply start using it and it will work. The integration and everything, whatever the autoresponder that you simply want to use, it's so easy to do it. And even the best part is that you can simply optimize it on mobile version as well, so that how it will look on mobile, you can simply optimize all of those things alongside with it. So that's how it's looking. If you see over here, this looks not that much good when it comes to mobile version. It might look good on the device. So what we can simply do, it's so easy to do, is we will go and edit mobile size. We can simply go for not link it and then set up according to how it's supposed to look. Let's do 26. If you see right now, it's mobile optimized. It's looking like it looks good on mobile. Whatever or however you want to do it, you can simply do it on mobile version. That's it. That is the thing that you need to do overall, and that's how you need, or you will get yourself overall the things set up. And that is the simple way to set the things and set the funnels up. Now when it comes to bonus bar, the things that you will get when you sign up for ClickFunnels, the link again in the description down below, you will get first of all the masterclass how you can simply start ClickFunnels overall. You will get yourself 20 high converting funnels that you can simply start using and putting up into your business, or start selling it as a part of a funnel builder, so that you can start generating income. These are the funnels that literally people charge thousands of dollars. Okay, other than this, what you will get is friend funnels. Friend funnel is generally my Chrome extension that sends the first message automatically when a newly friend is added. Other than this, you will get comment funnels, which is a software by Zaki Ahmed which replies to the comments on automation. And other than this, you will get yourself the Sebastian's Affiliate Mastermind, which is a course by Sebastian Gomez, which is my mentor. He have generated over like $10 million overall throughout his online journey. And other than this, you will get yourself the One Funnel Way Challenge funnel as well. It is one of the highest converting funnel that I have. I'm using it in my affiliate marketing business as well. And other than this, you will be in the part of my group where we will talk about affiliate marketing, how you can simply start your online income using affiliate marketing, how to start if you are new or if you are in the middle of your journey, how you can simply use affiliate marketing and generate 5 to 6 figures. What we are making, we are telling. That is the case. How you can simply make that much impact during that time frame overall, and how you can simply do that as well. So that is the thing that we are providing as a part of a bonus that you can simply use as a part of a journey. And these are the things. And other than this, you will get a ton of things as well. You will be able to see it on your screen as well right now. As a part of these things, you will get everything with these type of things. You will get other offers as well. And yeah, that's it for now, and see you next time.